Welcome to Kiddy Can Draw. Today we are going to learn how to draw a robot. Draw the antennas and the top of the head. Draw the face of the robot. Then draw 2 circles for the eyes. Add the mouth and 2 tiny screws. Draw the side of the face. And his right ear, then his left ear partly hidden behind the face. Draw the body of the robot and decorate it with tiny screws. Leave a space on the side to draw the arm. Draw the arms and the hands one on each side of the body. Decorate the arms for some texture. Draw the legs and decorate them with tiny lines for some texture. Congratulations! Now you can draw a robot. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring.